Japan's onsen culture offers more than just a warm bath. It's an experience rooted in tradition, relaxation, and respect. Here's a guide to ensure you make the most of your visit. When you first arrive, you'll buy an entry ticket. Most onsen charge around 500 to 1,500 yen and offer towel rentals if you didn't bring your own. You'll need 2 towels, a large one to dry off afterward and a smaller one to carry with you into the bath area. Before heading in, it's wise to remove all jewelry as the mineral-rich water can damage metals and gemstones. Many onsen have small safety lockers near the changing room entrances for valuables such as phones or keys. We recommend placing your belongings here for peace of mind. Once in the changing room, strip down completely as onsen bathing is traditionally done without clothing. Fold your large towel and leave it with your clothes in a basket or locker, and carry your small towel to the showers. If you have slippers, make sure to leave them behind. Onsen culture emphasizes cleanliness. Head to a shower stall where you typically find soap, shampoo, and conditioner provided. Wash your entire body and hair thoroughly, as it's essential to be clean before entering the bath. Storage racks near the showers are available if you prefer to bring your own products. If you'd like, this is a good time to shave. Manual razors are acceptable, but avoid electric razors as their noise may disturb others. Once you're clean, take a moment to rinse any remaining soap off completely. This is your chance to get clean because you're not allowed to wash yourself in the onsen itself. If you have long hair, make sure to tie it up so it does not get submerged in the onsen. The bath temperature is generally between 39 to 42 degrees Celsius. Begin by dipping your feet slowly, lowering yourself to get used to the hot water. Avoid dunking your head or splashing, and never submerge your small towel in the water. You can place it on your head or leave it on the side of the bath. If you've brought a group, keep voices low to maintain the peaceful atmosphere. Take your time and switch between different pools if available. If there's a sauna, you'll find small foam mats at the entrance. Rinse one with water, bring it inside, and use it as a seat. Remember to set a timer or watch the clock, and exit the sauna when you feel ready. Afterward, a quick rinse and maybe a dip in a cold bath can refresh sore muscles. If you start to feel too warm, it's okay to step out and cool down. Staying in for too long can lead to lightheadedness, so listen to your body. You can always re-enter once you feel comfortable again. While relaxing, keep in mind a few key points. Alcohol, including beer cans, should be enjoyed after, not in the onsen. Avoid jumping or lying in the snow before re-entering the bath, as this can bring in dirt and is considered disrespectful. Keep your phone and any photography outside the onsen to respect everyone's privacy. Some onsens may not allow tattoos. Contact ahead or use sports tape to cover tattoos if necessary. It's best to visit in small groups as many onsens are cozy spaces. When you're ready to leave, use your small towel to dry off excess water. Head to the changing area, dry off with your large towel, and dress. You'll find amenities like water stations to help you rehydrate, which is highly recommended. Finally, relax in the onsen's waiting area if you have friends still inside. Often you'll find vending machines offering drinks, including water and sometimes beer. Keep these tips in mind the next time you use an onsen in Japan to make the most of your stay.